Freshmen, I hope that you are having a fantastic Thursday. We are going to review our charts for the test. All right, so you're going to have a test on Tuesday, and this will be your last test. Okay, so we're going to review the charts today, and then on Monday we'll review the translation, a couple other grammar things for you. Okay, this will be your final test, and like the other two tests, it is open book, open note. All right, so you're gonna have 4 charts. They're all gonna be passive. All right, so the first one, you're gonna have a first conjugation verb. You're gonna do present passive. Okay, so the ris, ter, mer, mini, inter endings, those will be what you'll have. And then you take that first principal part and you put the R on it for the first form. After that, you just use the stem of the verb, so nika for this one, and then ris, nika, ter, nika, mer, and so on and so forth. Okay? And it's translated, I am verbed. So I am killed, you are killed, he is killed, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, you also will need to make sure that you give the infinitive. So you'll see at the very bottom there, I have the infinitive. This is the passive, present passive infinitive. Okay? So the only difference between the infinitive passive and the infinitive active is you'll notice the infinitive active, nikare, has an E. The passive has an I, nikari. Okay? And then translated, the active is to kill, the passive, as you can see here, to be killed. Okay, so you need to make sure you include that with the present passive indicative. All right? Next, you'll have a second conjugation, present passive indicative. Now the process here is exactly the same as before. So take the first principal part, put your passive ending on. After that, you take the stem, which is in this case debe, so D-E-B-E, and you add your ris, ter, mer, mini, and inter. Okay? Translated the same way, I am owed, you are owed, he is owed. If you want to double apostrophe the second plural so you can get y'aller, that's fine. All right, and then you will need to give the infinitive here as well, the passive infinitive, which would be deberi, to be owed. Okay, so those are the first 2 charts. You'll have a first conjugation, then a second conjugation. All right, and you will need to give the infinitives. Okay, so those are the first 2. Now the next chart will be an imperfect. Oh, I put active. I'm sorry. Imperfect passive. Indicative. All right, so what you're going to do is you'll take your stem, neka, then you're going to add ba, and then you add your passive endings. So you get nekabar, nekabaris, nekabater, nekabomber, nekabomini, nekabonter. Okay? And I was killed, you were killed, he was killed, we were killed, y'all were killed, they were killed. Okay? Pretty simple, straightforward translation. All right, so that's how you do the imperfect. No infinitive on that because there is no imperfect infinitive, so that's nice. Okay, and then your last chart will be the future passive. Okay, and this will be a second conjugation verb. So you take your stem, which in this case is debe, and then you add bor, beris, bitter, bimmer, bimini, bunter. All right. I will be owed, you will be owed, he will be owed, we will be owed, y'all will be owed, and they will be owed. Okay? Again, no infinitive on that one. There is a future infinitive, but we haven't gotten there yet. So, all right, so those are your charts, 4 of them. Okay, and then on the present ones, you will need to have the infinitive. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions on these charts. All right? Again, it is open book, open note. And this will be on Tuesday, okay? And we'll review more on Monday as well. Now, also for today, you have your Vocab Quiz, okay? Your Chapter 18 Vocab Quiz. Please make sure you take that by the end of the day. Now, your Vocab Quiz, just a reminder, like the other 2, the Vocab Quiz, I am asking you not to use your book or notes while taking that, okay? Because that kind of defeats the purpose. All right, so please make sure, though, you take that quiz by today. All right. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. And love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.